me because it's a single swag. Single swag. Or is it like a pamper?
I think it's a pamper yourself kind of thing.
Interesting. See what if I can get the box open. Let's look inside. Oh, what goodies do we have? Win your next box. Oh, and gives you a card of the information that is in your box. Stuff that's in your box.
The way you treat yourself sets the standard for others.
Oh, this is kind of cute. I love the little theme of loving yourself. You can win your next box. Enter. Submit a photo. Ooh, they comes with tissue paper. How special. Ooh. What kind of stuff is in there? Look at that. Let's see what this big case is. Let's see if I can. What is this? Oh, it's a lunch just got more fun with this durable, environmentally friendly bento box. That is cute. Its original price is $24. $24 for a lunch box. Do I open it from the packaging? Shall I? Let's see if I can get this packaging open. Oh my goodness, why did they make it so tough? Oh, this is kind of, oh dang. Smack you in the arm. Watch out now. Oh, this is cute. It's a little bento box. How do you open it? This is the food that you put on top and that's it. Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a cute little snack. That's your lunch right there. You get 3 little items. And I'm assuming it's leak-proof. Maybe. I don't know why it has this little thing right here, though.
Oh, that's what keeps the lid on.
That's a unique feature that, in case you're hungry, you might want to snap that off so fast. So it might hit you in the face. Let's see what this is. Cleansing clay beads. I don't know what this is. It's from OK. It's $15. Treat your skin to the purifying benefits of clay with these cleansing beads containing ruby extracts and other natural minerals ingredients.
Oh, do you want to try some on your face?
Sure, why not? Let's open it up and smear it all over my face. Let's see, how do I open this though? For some reason, this lighting I have is just not working today. I can barely see. How come I can't open this though? I'm trying not to damage the box. There we go. What do I do before I start rubbing some stuff on my face? I don't think this is in English. Oh, you have to add water. So we're gonna wait for this because we don't have any water. Unless my assistant brings me some water. Let's see. Ooh, grapeseed infused hand cream.
Ooh, see how that feels.
Oh, let's see. What collection is this? Wait, this is not even... Oh, this is an extra item maybe? Because it's not on the card. So I can't tell you how much that originates for. Let's see. Yeah, just get it on your nose. Why not? It smells really good though. It feels really good though, actually. It's nice and smooth. It has a
Does
very,
it feel
very...
greasy?
No, it doesn't feel greasy. It's smooth, like your skin eats it up. It absorbs it. And it smells like clean, like kind of like, I want to say baby powder, like a baby fragrance. Thank you, assistant. Let's try one of these chalk things. I don't know how to quite do this.
Yeah, did you read the directions?
No, it says bead, look at the directions. Bead plus water equals foam.
Oh, okay.
It says it is not tested on animals, which is always a plus, because we love animals here.
Yep, see your print on her shirt?
Alright, let's see. I might need a towel though, for real, you guys. Oh, interesting. It like,
Oh.
it makes like a slippery ball. You like slippery balls?
No.
Let's see.
Oh, did you need a towel?
I think so.
Oh, I was just baking a pumpkin pie.
Good.
A pumpkin cheesecake.
Watch out for your next video of how to make a pumpkin cheesecake.
I don't think you recorded it.
We'll record the next one.
Oh, how does that feel on your face?
I don't know. It feels. It's a real like weird.
Where's the foam at?
I don't.
Are
like,
you supposed to leave it in the container maybe?
Okay, the thing about this is it doesn't have directions. It just says water plus the chalk, and I don't want to leave it too hard.
Maybe you're supposed to let the chalk dissolve in the water and then splash it on your face.
And scrape it on your face?
It says it's foaming. I broke it up to see if it's gonna break, but it doesn't look like it's dissolving very well. And it looks like it is.
This is a great video. Is it supposed to be chalky or foamy? Because right now you're chalky.
It says a cleansing clay bead.
Oh.
You know what? Like, it's breaking up, but it's taking a little bit longer than I would expect for a foaming bead. It feels very
Have
chalky.
you used many foaming beads?
No.
Oh, there you go.
But you would think that if it was an instant water plus bead kind of directions, like it says right there, it would happen instantly. And not say massaging your face while it's foaming or massaging.
Oh, I think it's starting to foam.
Pumpkin
Well,
cheesecake.
it's dissolving.
Yeah.
I
Most of it's artificial.
don't understand why I'm doing this.
I sure wish you weren't in the background talking.
Oh, this is really, really. I can taste it. Like I'm tasting it in my mouth.
Oh, what does it taste like?
It tastes salty.
Oh.
Tastes like some salt is in here.
Well, you like slimy balls. Now you got salty slimy balls.
I didn't say I like them. I said, do you like slimy salty balls? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna try to attempt to wash my face.
In the kitchen.
At
At the kitchen table. Oh, this is what we do.
What are you doing?
I am trying to wash my face. Hey, I am in this video, okay?
Okay, I accept.
But I don't
Your
understand.
face looks much cleaner.
I'm pretty sure it does.
Your face was really dirty.
I have been sweating all day, and I'm trying to like not make a mess everywhere.
Well, I'm glad you're doing it at the kitchen table anyways.
Yeah, it's probably not the perfect place to do it at. I don't even know if I have it all off my face.
Does your face feel good though?
My face feels smooth. I mean,
Did it exfoliate?
I don't know if it does feel really smooth.
Oh, it does look brighter. I'm not kidding.
It does feel smooth. I think if like you were over a sink and you had your like the bead in your hand and then you were rubbing it on your face, I think it would be a lot easier.
I'm looking at your skin and it does look brighter.
It does feel. I think I haven't fully washed it off, but it does feel smoother, and it doesn't feel.
Huh. So would you
It
give
doesn't feel
that
dry either. That's
does that sound like an A or a B?
Yeah,
or?
I think that's really good. Like I think it's a cool product. I think that it doesn't dissolve easy though. That's the one thing that I'm kind of shocked about. But I mean, it worked. My skin doesn't feel dry yet, so we'll see about that.
Well, yay. So far we've had 3 great things.
Yeah, this thing really smells good.
Ow.
All right, let's see. What is this? Oh, it's a necklace. It sounds like it. Oh, it's a bracelet. It's add style and elegance to your collection. All right. This is originally $58.
Really? Wow.
It says this costs $58 if you were to buy it solo.
I can't even focus in on it because it's $58.
It's really cute though. I mean, I don't know if I paid $58 for it, but it is cute. I mean, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does it feel? Does it feel like it's made out of a good material, or does it feel like the bubblegum machine?
That's questionable because it doesn't feel very thick and it feels very, very lightweight. So, like, if you were to have kids and you were doing something with your child and it snugs on something, it feels like it would break off very, very easily.
Oh.
And this is something I would not wear because I'm a mom and I feel like this would break off and be lost forever. And I don't know if I want to spend $58 on something that I could lose forever. Alright, going on to the next product. If I can get this back in the box. Okay, let's not. Let's keep it out here. Oh shoot. Let's see. Put a display right there. Alright. Oh, what is this? Oh, they even give you a snack. How cute is that?
A scoop waffle.
This is $5. This is a caramel scoop waffle.
It's not a scoop. It's a stroop.
Stroop. What? See, that's what I get for listening to associates here. But it has 190 calories for one of these.
Let's open it and eat it.
Let's try. Come on. Oh, this looks like a real little flat waffle.
Very sweet.
Oh, look at that. It has caramel in it. Oh, look at that.
That's delicious. Wait a minute.
No.
Wait a minute, at the end. Oh. At the end.
It's really, really sweet. Like, this is like... It has it feels like it's drenched in caramel or some kind of syrup.
Oh.
And it's very, very sweet.
Oh, let's give that away.
Kids will love this, but I'm not sure if parents would enjoy this. But, yeah, I don't really know how to describe this. But I'm not going to eat no more because it's very, very sweet. So, this is all the things we got right here. For, I don't know how much the box is.
I think it was $40.
So $40, you get a bento box, a bracelet. Yeah, I'm trying to set it up, okay.
Seems like none of those items go together. They just gave you a bunch of stuff.
A bunch of random things, yeah, that's what it kind of feels
So
like.
what do you think? Because you usually buy these kind of boxes. What do you rate this box? Would you want it again, or?
I would rate it a no. I would not purchase this again. I mean, I think it's cool for the, like, the coupon code kind of thing. I don't think that this is something I'm kind of interested in. I mean, other people probably be interested in. It's kind of like random things. I mean, you get a lunchbox and then hand lotion and then face wash and a snack and a bracelet. I mean, others would be interested in this, but this is just not for me.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to have rhyme or reason, does it?
Yeah. I mean, I guess
It says pamper yourself, but I don't understand.
I guess they want you to eat right, wash your face, make sure your hands are moisturized.
And then put jewelry on after.
I guess. I mean, I could kind of see where they're going, but
Yeah.
I don't think that it's worth the price. I don't think so.
Yeah, so we're gonna probably pass on, what was it again?
Single swag.
Single swag. Yeah, it's a no for us. You might enjoy it.
Yeah, let us know in the comments below if you would enjoy something like this or if you gotten one before and really liked it, because our products are a no for us, but you never know, they might have different products that you enjoy or you have gotten in the past. Let us know in the comments and we will continue these mystery boxes. Up next will be a mystery t-shirt box coming soon to you. Bye.
back.